Okay guys, welcome in the stream. So let me share all this on Discord, YouTube, and all the stuff as usual. So that's the trade we took yesterday. Okay, pretty good trade on BTC. I'm also in this on Hype. Oh, what the hell? Went up to 10%, nasty rejection. And now on BTC looking pretty good, around 7 days running view up. We're gonna update all this as up right now. Just let me share it all on X and on YouTube. Up, so we can be a lot. Happy to be back. Restarting the lives, guys. I'm restarting the lives, guys. Up. Oh, the only problem, the cam, not the good cam. I want this cam. Okay, sorry. Shoo. Okay, much better. Yo, okay, so we're back here. We have it all. Hello, hello, guys. Yo, Vija. Hey, Daily Masculine. Hey, Arcos. How are y'all? Yes, BTC pumping, and obviously we nailed it. We took the trade. So yeah, up. Streaming and long on BTC. Just hit my first target. Are we shorting here or adding longs? Join us to see what's next. $100 giveaway to one of the viewers as usual. Up. Up. Up, up. So there we go. Okay, we live. Showed it here. That's good. Now let me share this also on Instagram, and so we can start. So welcome, guys, in the stream. Yo, Rudra. Hey, Maki. We see have to go long. Good morning, Oni. Yo, Axolo. Yo, Dennis. How are you guys? Welcome, welcome. Put a like, guys, and share the tweet so we can be more today. I feel like that can be a good stream. So let's get it. Last one we were only 50. So now let's try to be a bit more. Up. Let me know if the sound, the microphone, the sound of the music is not too loud. Let me know. I just got back to another place. I changed the setup a little bit. So let's see. And I'm moving again tonight, so yeah. Up story. I think I have I have a draft. Up link. Yeah, play. Clash Royale stream. Maybe one day. I stopped playing, but should I go back streaming? So nice one, guys. Really nice one, huh? Really nice one. That's not mine. Up. Well, that's kind of what I think on the daily, but let's go here on the daily to have something cleaner. Up. We didn't got this at all, so let's remove those. Oh, no. Up. Removes the draw. Now let's see. Pretty good close here, but can be an interesting day today. We took the highs here. Okay. Pretty solid, but I feel like this can be a nice setup. Oops. 30 minutes chart. No, that's on 1 hour. Hype is looking so good. Oh, whoa. Hype is pumping. What the fuck? Why is Hype so volatile, guys? That was a good one. If you guys saw yesterday, I gave in the Discord, you guys can see, bought some Hype here at 29.7. So basically here, up. We were up 11% in a day. That's so fucking good. We also took this long on BTC, if you guys want to see here. Up, went long here at the bottom. That was a pretty good one. Also, no, that's Hype. That's the BTC one, okay? Pretty good setup again. So now let's see what we have. New York didn't open yet, opening in 15 minutes. Yo, Tristan. TP is here. TP half here. In my opinion, you can TP half. I mean, we're up 5% on BTC, so TP half here stops entry, or you can even trade your stops like 85Ks. And on hype, TP half. That's pretty good. Looks like this goes to TP. That was a very, very good one. That was a very, very good one. Now let's see what we have here on BTC. We just filled the single print right here. Let's use the daily. But basically you can see that, yeah, we pretty much filled the single print here. Okay, now we have this. So that's an interesting level. Let's try to merge the POCs. Up. We are also at the top of the weekly VWAP, so that could be a resistance level. Up. So let's see within this range, where's the value area high, where's the value area low. We're above it right now, okay? And if we do the profile, we merge the profile of all of those. What can we see? Yeah, the highs are here. So that's pretty interesting. You guys can see that we're above this. So kinda that could be the range. That could be the range, okay? If we do flip that, we can go up to these levels to feel that. And why not even going here? I mean, that or that, 96 or 94 will be the best. So let's see. Hello guys, sick treat, stop loss, be risk free, my favorite words from you. Yeah, I love to say this also. I really love to say this also. Up. Now let's look at some data, guys. So what do we have here? We can see that, yeah, funding rate still negative, kinda. Here on the profile, we reclaim the val, okay? We may go for the POC, that will make sense. If not, we go for hires for these levels. On the VWAPs, okay, we are very close to the previous week VWAP here. Mid, that is 89Ks. Interesting. Above that, we can go to 95Ks. And here, the yearly VWAP, we are retesting the lower levels of the yearly VWAP, which could be a rejection here into this level. That will make sense, or even down to these levels, okay? Same as here, okay? And on the quarterly VWAP, we just got back inside, okay? So let's see. For me, that 94K, 95K here makes sense, okay? Monthly, quarterly, that makes sense. That's a level. So that we could have a nice short setup here to here, or we just wait for higher. But for now, the market is looking pretty good at the 7 days rolling VWAP. If we look at the heat map, kind of clean, okay? While the short got wrecked, obviously. In terms of longs, we don't have that much delta, right? We feel these single prints here. Let's see on Kayotaka. Let me know if the sound is not too loud. Hype full TP, let's go. Yeah, almost full TP. But like, we're up 10%. Personally, I closed the bunch. But from the entry up 12%, that's insane, guys. That's insane. So yeah, obviously I gave the call to my students, so I'm gonna update them. Now got stopped out. Nice, okay. Okay, Hourbrass, Menchip student and VIP. 80% TP on hype after a 12% bounce from entry. Let's fucking go. That's it. This is how we do. And for my Menchip students, pretty good one. Up and also BTC. Also BTC here. Half TP / 75%. Yo, Le Jiggy. Hey, Beast Or, how are you guys? So, are longs chasing? That's the question. Yeah, not that. Well, yes. 177, 128. Kind of heavy. But like, not crazy though. Where's my order flow one? Here. Up. Yeah, we have a pretty big delta though, huh? 140 mil, 104 mil. we do have big deltas here, kinda. So that could be interesting, but I will wait New York Open, honestly, guys. If we look at the data also here, so on the weekly, we have 53% chances to take the monthly high, the weekly high, and 80% chances to take the monthly high. Okay, so the chances are pretty high in terms of the monthly and weekly, and the highs are basically, where are they? Well, we just took them, no? Where is the, we just took them, right? Ah, no, my bad. It's here. It's here. In 90Ks. Why is it that low? What the fuck? Ah, it was at 1 hour. Okay, yeah, it was at 1 hour. So it was here. That's the level, kinda. That's kinda the level here. That we can target, obviously. That will make sense here also, but no. That's kinda the level. Gross news sur Hyperliquid. Oh, that's why it pumped. What's the news on the hype? What's the news on the hype? I have to check on X. Is there a news on the Hyperliquid? Just wallet? No. What's the news on Hyperliquid, guys? Hyperliquid. Ah, okay. Business combination with Hyperliquid strategy. Oh, okay. Okay, that's big, kinda. That's a good news, though. Yeah. Okay. Now let's see for the daily and sessions statistics. We still have good chances to take the session low, but the daily low percentage. So it's kind of complicated today because based on the data, you guys can see that we have kind of high chances to take out the monthly high and the weekly high. That is basically here. Let's put it here. Basically up. So weekly / monthly high up. So that's kind of the level that we can target, right? Yo, how are you? N7 NS Venterprise. Today possible to get short in New York Open. Honestly, it's hard. So let's see. But we smashed through the first target, guys. Yo, Wizard. So we smashed through the targets, and now we might go a bit higher, huh? Because like honestly, the edge today to go short is not that good. Why? First, fundings are neutral / negative, so that's not a good trigger to go long, to go short, right? Spot is buying, okay. We do have some longs chasing though here. We feel this, but we are above the POCs here. We have liquidity here, okay. The DOM is looking pretty good. In terms of order flow, it's not crazy, okay. If we look at that also, we can see that we are above the weekly VWAP and the daily VWAP, so nothing bearish yet. We have the POC here that can be interesting. That will be my target, 91Ks. In terms of VWAPs, we are retesting the yearly VWAP by the downside here for the bands, but that's it. We can go a bit higher and then reject to these levels. Quarterly, we're inside. The weekly, we're above, okay. That could target 89Ks, and the monthly, same thing. So yeah. I mean, not a lot of things. Same here, we have the POC here, that could be the target. We're above the value, so we're in the void, so we could feel all that. And we don't have that much longs chasing. In terms of data, on the weekly and monthly, we have 53% chances based on time. I prefer to use time than distance, okay? So based on time, we have 53% chances to take out the weekly high. And in terms of monthly statistics, we have 80% chances to take out the monthly high. And also 97% of the monthly highs formed after December 1st. And also 100% of the monthly data from the last 3 years they have a bigger wick, okay? They have a bigger wick. So the chances to take this high, this level is pretty high. So I don't want to short, okay? I don't want to short here. I'd rather go long a bit lower, okay? Maybe we can play a rejection of the 7 days rolling VWAP, but I'd rather play a long here to this level or a short from these levels than here. So here it's kind of no trade zone for me. Is data granted? You mean guaranteed? Yeah, the data is very good. I use brighter data, it's very, very, very good. In 10 FOMC meeting is possible. What do you mean? So yeah, and if we look at the daily and session statistics, guys, we have a low chances, okay, to take out the session low, and we have even lower chances to take out the daily low, which is here, okay? So low chances. So I would rather play some shit like that. Retest of the value here, and then why not going here? That could be a play. That could be a play. And if not, we just go to these levels. But I feel like, yeah, I don't really want to short here, okay? That's not really what I want to do. Don't know what you guys think. Is your rolling VWAP indicator self-coded? Yes, yes, yes. You don't have it on TradingView. Da, 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 da. So basically the plan for today, guys, will be some, yeah, I mean, it's looking good, huh? It's looking pretty good. So what we have here, we have basically here that weekly / monthly highs, right? Okay, we have this. We have the range lows of that move, okay? So pretty good confluence. Pretty good confluence here, okay? Now, if we use the TPOs, and we use the TPOs on the weekly, what we can see? We can see that we are above the value, okay? We are above the value and we have the POC here. Above the value, we have the POC here. So what I expect is potentially the price to go a bit lower. What we can have here also, okay? Well, now, why not having something like this? I don't really use FIBO, but I love to use these levels. Why not having some kind of pullback here in this level and then go for these highs, okay? That would be great. That would be great. That would be great. Till then, I'm not really touching. I'm not really touching that, okay? I'm not really touching that. If we look at this also, if we look at the data, we can see here that the data is very, very, very on our side, right? Sorry, let me put this a bit higher. Up. So basically that's kind of what we think, okay? Up. So basically if I recap, okay? BTC back inside previous week value, okay? Simple, okay? We're back inside the value here, okay? Data shows us that we have big chances to take out the weekly and monthly lows, while we have low chances to take out daily and session lows, monthly highs, sorry. Not willing to short under 91s and looking for potential scalp longs at mid 80s. Simple. Join us. Up. That's it. So that's kind of the plan. That's kind of the plan, guys. Let's see if we have some shit during the open. But so far, that's the TP1, guys, huh? That's the TP1. Now let's see how it goes. Up. I would like perm P balance, spot CVD and perp CVD to be higher to short. Same as here or here, see? You want it to be high. Here you don't want to be short. That's why I long also. Now if we look from the bottom, yeah, spot CVD is kind of okay. Can see. So now let's just wait. I don't have any trigger to short here, guys. No triggers to short here yet. So let's just wait. We can see that we have some bids here. Some asks, sorry, look. They putting some passive asks, well, bids here, but a lot of passive asks here. So let's see. I'd like a retest maybe of the daily VWAP. That could be an interesting one. But I don't know. Shorting here is kind of risky. We have a bunch of, yeah, not even, look, the delta is not even longs here. So this means that there's a bunch of shorts still entering. That was a pretty good one though. Here is kind of no trade. So yeah, for me, basically, if we lose that, that's your short setup, okay? But I don't know, I feel like we could get this better. That would be better to get this first. So here is kind of no trade zone for me. We have this long from yesterday running. We have this long running. We took more than half of the profits. And now we just wait, guys. That's pretty good. Very good reading. Differentially moved interchangeable markets. 63 viewers, guys. That's cool, thanks. Let's get back to 100 viewers in average in the next days. We're just restarting stream, so that's okay. And also the market is shit, so I think lots of people don't want to trade crypto. So let's see. Oh, the market just opened, by the way. I forgot it. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Oh, yo, Crystal. How are you? We're texting on Instagram. Yes, it's me. Just checking. I'm answering here also on my other computer. Up. So, honestly, here I don't know what we can do. I don't know what we can do. Up. That was a banger, huh? So now, in terms of daily, guys, what's interesting again, and my thesis is that, yeah, update the new later, Chris, is that as long as we stay under the 365 days rolling VWAP, okay, on the daily, the trend is bearish, guys, and we're kind of in bear market. If we can flip that, that's very good, but as long as we don't flip this level, it's looking pretty nasty, okay? Basically, if we go to the VWAPs, it's this level, guys. As long as we cannot flip that, that's looking very bad, okay? We need to flip that again for a potential rotation up to 112Ks. Why not? Above that, very bullish. Under, no. Good morning, Crypto Minutron. This is order flow strategy. Yes. Bro, what is this price action? Yesterday, it didn't even took the weekend low, and now it's pumping like crazy. It was clean price action, brother. Honestly, very clean price action. We retested the demand here, okay? Here we have a high volume node, okay? Or like high TPO node. You can call it as you want. So that was a big support right here. We longed it, okay? Lots of shorts chasing the price at this moment. Fundings turning negative. We had a lot of bids coming here to rescue the price. That was a clean setup, actually. That was a very clean setup. So yeah. Personally took that long and also took hype long. That was pretty good. And now market is moving pretty clean, honestly. Honestly, that's pretty clean. Like as long as we hold these levels, it's looking alright. For me, as long as we stay above like 87Ks, as long as we stay above this level, I don't see why we should go lower. Okay, so I mean, I would say this level here, that level right here. As long as we stay above that, we can go higher. If we don't, we go up. So that's why here I'm just waiting for these levels to trade him. Try to take short, bro. What's up? No. Good morning. Cheers, bro. Should be an interesting December. Yes, I think it could be an interesting December. I think lots of people can be trapped. I'm leaning towards maybe people think here, we just rally a bit here and then lower, or even like just chop here. See, chop here, move up, move down, and that's it. Wow. Kind of lower price action, but you got my point, right? Up, Santa rally here, boom, dump here, and then we just make a low, and then we're not going up. But I feel like the market is kind of weak still. The market is kind of weak still to me, so I don't know. So what do we think? Should we try some shit like that? Like that could be a nice one-to-one risk-reward trade, but like stops above 90Ks. That's it. I'm not in. I'm not in. Because I don't see what I want, okay? Yo, Matteo. Yeah, I don't see what I want. We don't have like a huge delta in longs. We have some ask above the price, but like that's it. Honestly, there's like no trigger here. There's like no trigger. So like that's not even a trade. Like we're kind of shorting, like, yeah, like look, this big imbalance here. Like that's not a setup. So yeah, sometimes you just have to wait, huh? See, Monday high, that will be an interesting one. So yeah, I don't know what you guys think. We do have the rolling VWAPs here that are interesting, like here the 7 days rolling VWAP. That we are kind of flipping here. So yeah, why not even taking this high into the 30 days rolling VWAP before going down, huh? That could be interesting if this is going like that. That could be also, basically these are my setup for the next days. These are my setups for the next days, so yeah. Don't know what you guys think here. TP trying to eat. What is your TP? Paro. Para. Ah, no. Oh. Okay, for now, rejecting the 7 days rolling VWAP, guys. Let's see if we can have one of the triggers. Let's see. Good morning. How do you think for hype can go a little bit further? Well, the structure of hype, we swept that low here. We are feeling all those imbalances here. We are still not making a new high here. That's why I took most of the profit at 12% profit. Okay, I personally closed 75-80% of my position on hype. As you guys can see here, that I shared within my students here, 80% TP on hype here, that was at the top here, and same on BTC, took good profits, okay? So yeah, hype looks like it can go higher, but we call the 12% move, so that's good, and the structure is still kind of bearish. That's kind of a dead cat bounce. We left a lot of like imbalances here, right? And we also have, for example, this big like support resistance level that you guys can see here, okay? That's a big support resistance level. Resistance, support, broke down, resistance, and now we might retest it. So that's kind of the range, okay? If BTC goes to 90-91Ks, we might go here and just reject again toward the lows, okay? That's possible. And that was my target, like 34, 35, mid-30s. So yeah, now regarding BTC, we kind of stuck here. I'm still in the trade. I closed half of the profit, okay? Very good setup. We basically caught a 5% move up, okay? Almost 6%. We are around 7 days rolling VWAP, okay? We're above the value of last week, as you guys can see here. And in terms of probabilities, on the daily and session, we have very low probabilities to take out the session and the daily lows, while we have high chances to take out the weekly and more even high chances to take out the monthly high. That is the same, okay? You can see that 100% of the monthly high have a bigger wick because there's literally no wick here. There's like literally no wick. So you guys can see here, we don't have any wick. So we probably tag this level, okay? Maybe tomorrow or today, I don't know. But that's my level of interest. So I'm either interested to shorting here or here, okay? Or to get a long here, or just to get out of my long position here and just wait for lower prices because the price will be rejecting. It's pretty clear right now how I'm looking at it. So yeah. Close my BTC long from 84K. Nice one. Nice profit, Crystal. Let's see if we can get it. Are you guys in a position or no? Is anyone trading here? Honestly, the setup is pretty good. So up, you know what, guys? Let me kind of make up a video that would be for the Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should. So you guys have it in advance, so I can put it here. But yeah, basically, let me record that. So I will just put back this. Add up, there we go. So you guys have it here. You guys can understand what is going on. There we go. Okay, so let me explain you guys what I expect here in the next days for basically today on BTC. Okay, so let me remove my cam here so you guys have it all here. Up, play. Okay, and there we go. So basically what I expect here in the next days, or basically today. Oh no, let's start with this. No, that's fine. Okay, yeah. So basically what I expect in the next days on BTC or even today is a retest of the weekly and monthly highs, or a retest of 87Ks into weekly and monthly highs. We took this trade with the Discord yesterday, and we are already up 5%, almost 6% on our Bitcoin loans. I closed half of the position, and now I'm just trading my stops in profit. Up, and so basically in terms of statistics, we can see that we have 53% chances to take out the weekly high, and we have 80% chances to take out the monthly high. We can also see here that 100% of the monthly highs have a bigger wick. So we can expect, okay, the price. So we can expect the price to go at this level, 90K 300, to make a new weekly high and a new monthly high, and perhaps make a higher weekly candle, and perhaps make a bigger monthly candle, okay? So this is why I wanted to long, and in terms of setup, I'm willing to play, okay? I'm either willing to play a rejection of the weekly and monthly highs, okay? Also previous week pot of control here, that could be a nice setup, or maybe we just go for previous weekly highs here at 93Ks, we retest the 30-day rolling VWAP and we get a short. Regarding the bearish side, if we lose this week POC and 87Ks, I feel like we're going towards the lows and probably go to 80Ks or even maybe 70Ks. Up. So that's it for the real. Up, and now we go back to these guys. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. So I just wanted to make this little video for the Instagram. Up. So now we're back. Oh, no sound. You guys have the sound, no? How long is still valid to register with Lbank for VIP status? It is, guys, it is still. If you guys want to join the VIP Discord and get access to my calls, okay, you just have here, okay, Discord info to register on Lbank with my link, okay? So you can look here. Register on Lbank with my link. You guys get a deposit event. Oh, sorry, because I already joined. Okay, let's open on this. So basically, yes, look at this. If you guys want to join the VIP Discord for free, you click on the link in the description, okay? You create a Lbank account, you send me your Lbank account UID, you need to deposit minimum $500, okay? And trade every week on it, that should be your main account, okay? We do it at minimum 500 because if you guys don't have a big portfolio, that's for you. But if you have a bigger, we want you guys to merge on Lbank to trade there, okay? And if you don't, and we see that you are fake trading, we will remove you from the VIP because it's basically free, okay? And once you've done that, you can, guys, send me a message on Discord, on Instagram, wherever, and we will add you to the channels, okay? You will have access to that. You will also have access to the VIP courses that are for free, VIP live stream, to my spot calls. So yeah. And also, as we keep going on that, guys, as you guys can see, we have the mentorship, okay, with the trading bootcamp. And if you guys want to have access to the school and to basically group calls with me and my team, with one-on-one calls with me also, a full design one-on-one mentorship that we do with you guys. You guys have access to all this classroom, okay, with risk management and psychology lessons, okay, how to use my trading systems, videos on everything, literally, how to set up my systems, access to all of my templates, and access to all of my indicators, etc. You also have access to trading journals, to group call requests, and to the 15 days trading bootcamp. This is not for the beginners, okay? You guys need to be advanced in trading, okay? Well, you can be beginner, but it's not for people that are not willing to put the work on in the trading, okay? We want people that are wanting to really trade and learn, okay? Like the students I have here that are doing videos, that are sending things, etc. They are asking questions. We are doing a lot of things together, okay? So that's pretty good. And you guys will obviously have access to this. So if you guys are serious and want to learn how to trade order flow, how to trade with my system, but more importantly, how to be a trader and have an edge with risk management and psychology and mastering all those things, mastering technical analysis and mastering your trading setups, there is a link in the description, guys, to book a call, okay? So I will leave you guys a few minutes to book the call. Basically, if we go on the YouTube here, we go on YouTube here, you click here, you guys can see that up. You just click here, book a call on the type form. You answer the questions here, and basically we will offer you guys a call with me or a member of my team, okay, if I'm not available. We will give you guys ton of values during this call, okay? This will be to see if you guys can fit in the program or no. If that's not the case, that's fine, okay? And that's good. We welcome you with open arms. So yeah, just take the time to check this in the description if you guys are interested in joining the program. And yeah, basically. Now let's see. Let's get back to the markets. Price is pushing a bit higher, but still no trigger for me, guys. Still no trigger for me. How is S&P looking? TPO, rolling view ups. Yeah. Still nothing. We have these single pins to fill here. I feel like we could go a bit higher though. So let's wait. Up. So also let's do the giveaway, guys. Okay. Up. Let's do the giveaway. BTC gets short from 89k 300. Oh, you went short, brother? Oh, you want to go short a bit higher? Okay. Let's see, let's see. Let's see. So, also let's do the giveaway, guys. Up, random. So, up. Giveaway starting soon, guys. So let's see. up. That's for X. Yeah. Yo, let's go, guys. So, basically, to be eligible for the giveaway, guys, you need to comment, you need to like, and you need to follow the YouTube channel. We do the giveaway in a few minutes. So let's get it. Also, guys, the money will be sent on your Lbank account, okay? The streams are partnered by Lbank, sorry. You guys can see here, okay? So you guys can get deposit bonus and also good refund on your trading losses. So just make sure to create an Lbank account also if you win or even for the next streams, okay? The link is in the description. No KYC required. One of the best no KYC exchanges in terms of liquidity. You can also trade Forex and S&P and Google, Nvidia and stuff. That's very good. I might start a copy trading soon. I don't know what you guys think. Should I start a copy trading or should I do it on Lbank or should I do it on Tabbit? Tabbit also asked me to do a copy trading on their platform. So maybe we can do one. I don't know what you guys think. And if we do copy trading, are we doing a 10K to 100K challenge like here on the stream? Or are we doing like, I don't know, a 5K to 50K or some shit like that? I don't know what you guys want. Let me know here in the comments. And now let's see, BTC is just pumping. Pumping into the first bands, that's interesting. That's the first level of interest for me. But I don't know. I feel like we can wait a little bit for the weekly and monthly highs. We can wait a little bit for the weekly and monthly highs. Like, that will make sense. That will make sense. Do both. What do you mean do both? I cannot do both. Like on Tabbit and on Lbank. Yeah, I have to choose one because if I do two accounts, like I will have to take trades on two accounts and like that's not good. By the way, guys, I just bought a 100K prop firm challenge because a lot of my students want to do prop firm challenge. And so we are going to do together in the mentorship program. I'm going to do them with my students. And so I just bought one here. So we might take some trades also on the 100K challenge. Let me know if that's something that could interest you guys to do a public one. The first one I will do will be with my mentorship students because they have the priority, of course. So yeah. Rebuild the capital, those giveaway, I win. Let's see if it's your day, brother. So yeah. Let's see. We will do the giveaway in like 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Whatever we reach 50 entries, we do the giveaway. Okay, and so that's good. And maybe we do one more at the end of the stream. Okay, we can do two today. What do you guys think about that? We can do two today. Yes, Matteo. Let's get it together. Let's get it together. I was trying to get a trade today, but we have nothing. I feel like this or this can be a good trade, or even this. Okay, so let's see. Matteo is one of my students. If I'm not mistaken, it's Matteo from the program, right? So yeah, let's see. For now, nothing. But really, really good trades. Those were really, really good trades, guys, honestly. We closed above the 7-day rolling VWAP on the 1 hour. We closed above that. I don't see any reasons that we don't go for these levels. So let's just wait. Let's just wait. Not forcing any trade. This could go scam a bit higher still. Yes. Look, delta of 150 million shorts at this level. They are going to be squeezed. At least to POC. At least to POC. In the VWAP here. There is nice confluences here at this level. That's good. I really love that. We don't have that much asks. Yeah. I want more long to chase the price. We have those single prints here. See, 88 million in delta short. Okay, funding going positive but not crazy yet. That's still okay. We will answer DM after, brother. Let's go rooting to win with John. Your poem with it too. Nice. I don't get it, daily masculine. I don't speak that language. Ah, okay. Let's go, guys. Those shots we are getting. Which shots? These ones? These shot border, they're mine. They're like my templates. Basically, I show them here. You know, Diego's system setup. And basically, here you have all the mentorship indicators, my templates, my Market Monkey setups, my Canalize setups. You have everything here that I give to my students in video and with links. So yeah. So by the way, guys, if you want to get access to this and you are a serious trader and you want to book a call with me on my team, just go, well, where is it? Up. Just go here, okay? Click here and basically just book a call here on this form in the description. Just fill the form and book a call with me on my team. If you guys want to join the mentorship program to get access to a one-on-one mentorship program, coaching with me, also group calls, access to a full trading school, and access to all of my signals, and basically 24/7 support from me. Okay, I'm trying to make you guys profitable. That's what I want. It's even better than making money myself in trading. Helping people is very good. I already helped like 2-3 students that are really profitable now. I have more students that I want to help to achieve and get to that point. And I'm wanting to get more and more students to help them to do that, because I feel like this is very possible. So yeah, guys, very, very good pampa. That's a good decision we had today. Again, we didn't took any trade today, but that was for me a very, very great educational stream. Why? We had this long, okay? Usually a setup I love to take is to trade short or long retest of the 7 days rolling VWAP. But here what I had, we had first the price above all the VWAPs, okay? So not much to do. We were above the daily and the weekly VWAP, okay? We didn't have a lot of longs chasing, okay? We had liquidity higher. We had on the other flow same, not a lot of longs chasing. Well, here the delta is kind of heavy. That could be interesting. And most importantly, funding rates were negative. In terms of statistics, we had 53% chances to take out the weekly high, 80% chances to take out the monthly high, and 100% of the monthly weeks that made a bigger week on the high, okay? And on the low time frame, we had very low chances to take out the daily low and very low chances to take out the session low. So we were not looking for shorts and we were not looking for longs. We were already long and the price was already high. And so now the price is going into our level. That was a fucking great analysis. That was not a trade. We could have long here, but like that was nonsense to long here. And so now the price is reaching our levels, okay? Everyone was long here. We shorted to that level, 8% move. Then what we did, we longed here towards that level. If you guys want to have the proof, basically here on my calls, we can go back here. What we can see, I went shorts up here, boom, full TP here at 86Ks, nice. And then we went long here at 84Ks, and we basically have this right here. The price is up 7% from our entry. Sorry, but that's absolute cinema. Insta will be need to develop. What do you mean? Bro, you're so underrated. You deserve more appreciation. Honestly, keep up the good work, make. Love you. Thanks a lot. And yeah, I might do a new Insta giveaway also. So now let's wait. I don't have anything now to trade still. I would like this level to be, I will put an alarm. Would love this level to be like, this will be taken. There's no way we reject like that. Like there's no way. There's no way. Well, maybe there's always a way, but I mean, we never know. So to enter the giveaway, guys, basically you have to comment, like, and follow the YouTube channel. I will do it in basically like here in 2 minutes. Whenever we reach 50 entries. Waiting for 4 more people, and then we do the giveaway, $100 to one of you guys, and we do the next one just after. Maybe I do another one later. Depends how long I do the stream. So let's get it, guys. When short, honestly, I don't know. For now, I'm just waiting. I would love to get triggers here or here. I might not short here, but wait for higher, honestly. Well, wow. We have 200 million in delta in longs though. But, I don't know, like... Yeah. I cannot short here. I feel like we have to get to these levels. But that's a pretty solid candle here. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. So now let's do it, guys. Let's do the giveaway. So I will choose a winner here. Good luck, guys. Who's gonna win the 100? Shin N1S is the winner today. Shine N1S. Congratulations, you are the first winner today. There will be another winner maybe at the end of the stream. I will let you guys know. So yeah. Congratulations. Is BTC at 90s? Okay. BTC is getting there. BTC is getting there. So far, so good. That was a great one. Pa, 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 pa. That was sick, huh? Up. So, VIP, mentorship students, 80% TP on BTC. Let's fucking go. Up. That's good. Did she reply me? Okay, nice, Shin. So just send me a DM on X, okay? Send me a DM on X with the proof that it's you, okay? Last time I got 3% trying to fake the giveaway. So guys, it's easy to spot you guys. So the people just need to send me a screen record of the account. I can see it and I can see that she was on the stream. So yeah, just send me a DM and congratulations. And so then we will have a new winner next, maybe at the end of the stream. But for now, let's focus on the trading, guys. That was a pure banger. Honestly, guys, that's a lovely price action. A lot of the people, they're not making that, like they're struggling right now, but normally you show also Lbank that you're in a trade. Yes, but it's just that on Lbank, I didn't took the trade because I take the trade during the streams. And the trade was taken yesterday. So it's on my personal account. And my personal account, I don't show them, guys, for just normal reasons. Where do I send a message? On X. When are you entering short here? I don't know. Here or here. But I need confirmations to enter. For now, I don't have anything. So let's see. I would love to get more confirmations. Still nothing. This can go a bit higher. This can go a bit higher. Still looking pretty good. Move slowly. Hey bro, I won last time. Please don't spam cap first. It's not possible, brother, that you didn't receive any prize. Like all of the other winners, maybe some of the last week didn't receive it yet because I'm pushing the team to send it. But you should have received it. And if not, why are you just spamming cap here in the stream? Well, you can just send me a DM. Like, that's nonsense. So just don't spam caps. That's the problem also. Like, last week, guys, from last week, there's someone spamming me every day to get the giveaway. Like, bro, we're giving you free money. Why are you spamming? It will come. That's crazy. So the next people that keep spamming like that, I just like cancel it for this person. Like, and I just give it to another viewer. Like that's just stupid, guys. That's just stupid. Like, I could never do something like that's crazy to me. So yeah. So now let's see. Prices making a new weekly or monthly high. Okay. Nice. So yeah. Pretty good. Up. Got the level here. The analysis was pretty good. Okay. Another people here. I need you guys to show you here. Okay, this motherfucker, but here 40k, okay? Up. I'm nervous now. I'm nervous now. Well, I'm not going to explain, but God, bro, I shared something. I literally shared a fucking weekly chart on BTC. This is a fucking 15-minute chart. This guy doesn't know the difference between scalping and fucking swing and like long-term vision. Like, just like I won't answer. I will answer later, but like, how can you be that dumb? Honestly, with all the respect that I don't have for you, how can you be that dumb? Like, come on, bro. That's just stupid. That's just stupid. These people's guys, like, they are just lost cases. Honestly, they are just lost cases. Very nice pump, huh? Very nice pump. You don't owe me. That was a pretty great reading, actually, guys. I'm just updating on X. It's, well, just send me a DM, brother. I'm answering to all the DMs. 95k 5. But well, I have to check. Looks like this wants to go a bit higher. We have the POC here. Let's put the POC here. Like that could be a nice sweep here maybe of this level. Risky. It's risky to short, but we have like huge delta. We have huge deltas, and we have perp imbalance here. Yeah, that might be a great moment to look for maybe try something. Maybe try something. So let's see. I do feel like, well, we can remove that now. Can that be like basically here? This level is good, like that's a 1-for-1. I imagine I risk 1k here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, even lower. I would just go to lows. Don't know what you guys think. Either here or like maybe that level. Don't know. That could be a nice swing. That could be a nice one. We do have the perps imbalances start coming in, okay? If we look at the data here, well, basically, now it's taken, okay? 24% took the weekly low now. 43% took the weekly low in terms of distance. Monthly low. So we still have 71% chances to take out the monthly low. So yeah. Yeah, honestly, personally, I'm just fully closing my longs, okay? Up, fully closed my longs. Let's fucking go. Up, that's it. Just to show it here. Up and up. And that's pretty cool. Up, just this for my guy. Up, so yeah. So now let's see. So we can remove up, taken. We can put them here, up. These were taken. That's a possible order level, okay? So now we had this flip here. Now what we could have be a sweep lower, okay? Why not? Oh shit. Okay, so I need to remove some spaces. Tack. Trying to make a clean shot for you guys, huh? So that could be it, okay? That could be the signal we want from here, or even maybe from higher, or even just from that level, huh? Or even just from that level. So we could anticipate like half of the field here, setup will be here, and so at the end that will give a setup here, okay? That's also a nice one. So yeah, don't know what you guys think about this one. So this person that spam for you from Messenger also messaged me too, so I should spam too to get my Brussels. Yeah. So now let's see what we can get. Bang, 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 bang. That's getting interesting. Don't stop, AJ. Don't stop, AJ. My go, Jigito. Is it possible to have 4K on the stream? I might need to check the setting and stuff. I think that's possible, but let's see. If we cannot close under that, that's great. Let's see the data. What is the data looking on the weekly and monthly? We don't have other warnings, okay? So we made the week, that's fine. And now we have still highest chances to go lower, okay? In the monthly. In the weekly, we have 43 and 25% chances to go lower. The week, it's only Monday. So let's see in terms of time. But in terms of distance, we still can go lower. And we still have high chances to go a bit higher, okay? So let's see. But personally, that's the first level of interest. This is why I closed my longs, and this is why I really love this position also. So now let's see how it goes, okay? Unusual short, very strong your trade. Weird. Send me in DM, Jeffrey, please, so I can transfer it. Not on the stream, I cannot do it right now. Thanks. Thank you, thank you. No. It's more something like this, actually. It's the setup I'm wanting to play. Hype looks like shit, huh? I also closed my hype position, guys. Can this play out, guys, or no? What do we think? I'm just checking my other positions because I had some dodge and some dodge and some yeah, my dodge position is if I bought in spots, yeah, not the best. Ah yeah, see, buy. Okay, dodge 0.14 shit. Okay, well, that's not very good, but made a little profit. Okay, sold it. So now back fully flat on those. Okay, clean. So let's see. Pay. Can we get lower or what, guys? Boy. So basically, if we do a recap from the trade, we literally longed here, okay? Our stop was under the low. Up. Close it here. Can we be that good? Or is it too much to ask? Maybe it's too much to ask. Personally took that trade, risking 1k on that one. I'm risking 1k for 5k 800 profits, okay? Up. Let's see. What is that? I got a receipt from Stripe. Guys, I'm paying stuff, I don't even know what is it. Is this the sign when you finally have bit money? Hype short now, invalidation high. Yeah, hype short could be a nice one. Personally, I close my position on hype. What I like also is Ethereum. Ethereum, we are kind of retesting from the lows, guys. Ethereum could be an interesting one also. Look at these POCs right here, okay? That's kind of massive resistance right there, okay? For a swing, I mean, like swing-wise. Above the VWAP and just target the lows, even like much lower. Some people will have a heart attack, but as long as BTC stays weak, this is possible on Ethereum, guys. And BTC, basically, that was the play. Well, that was the short that we exited basically here. Sorry. Then we longed here. So that was pretty good. So basically, to sum up the trades we took, that's pretty much this. Pretty much this. Here. Up. And now, this. Stops above that. Target here. That's pretty much what we are doing. That could be fantastic. Now that I'm doing all that, we probably just goes to the highs. I'm just jinxing it. Up, buy here, sell here, pretty much, with this demand zone here, that is perfectly here. And now we just want to short that level right here. Honestly, that makes sense. So let's see how it goes. We want weakness under this previous high, okay? We want weakness here. If we don't have it, then fuck it. No, I opened the short, guys. Yes, I'm in. Bro, can we look for long setup scenario? BTC likely to go? Yeah, sure. So, the scenario where BTC goes higher is either a retest for, or yeah, basically flip of that and go to this level or even 96Ks, okay? Or retest of the 7 days rolling VWAP, retest of that level. But the very bearish invalidation for me, bullish invalidation will be loss of 87Ks. Lose 87Ks and we're going much lower, okay? Above that, that's fine. We can even go a bit higher. For now, I'm just shorting because of my system and because like we do have like a lot of longs. Like, I mean, 200 mil, 300 mil, 200 mil. Like we do have shorts again hiding here, but like we also have like perp imbalance here. We are at the top of the VWAP right here. Like that's, yeah. I mean, that kind of makes sense though. See? If we fail to flip that, then yeah. Not trying to be excessively bullish, bearish, guys, but you are targeting pre-OV. You are just a chart creator. Exactly. And guys, we made good profit with the long. The setup is not on A+, so I'm not going big risk. I'm risking 1K on that one, okay? Just risking 1K. Well, for some people that might be a lot, but for me on an account that's not a lot. So that's not even like 1%. So I'm just risking it like this, okay? Made way more money here because the setup is good. Also sharing it to the community and you guys. The first TB will be 7 days rolling VWAP where we put stops entry. So 7 days rolling VWAP is where we put stops entry. Then, oh, you know what? How do I gain as much aura as you? Years of training, guys. Years of trainings. No, I'm joking. But yeah, basically, let me explain you guys everything. I make the, like I did the first video. I will make the new video about this setup. Okay, just let me go here. Okay, I think you guys. Do you guys can you guys hear me? First thing important. If you guys can hear me, okay, let me remove that. Okay, and now we're going here. So let me record that little, okay? So if you guys remember yesterday we were talking about the possibility of Bitcoin going to take these weekly and monthly highs, and that's just what we did. So now I was waiting for some reasons to go short at that level because I had the plan to go short at 91 or at 93Ks, but I just entered short here for many reasons. The first one is that we just took the weekly and monthly highs and that based on data, we went to our targets and we can move into a new target. Up. If we look at the data here, we can see that we still have 43% chances to take out the weekly low and that we still have 71% chances to take the monthly low, okay? The P1s inversed. Now, if we look at the footprints, we can see that we had a lot of longs chasing the price on that move up. On the VWAPs here, we have an interesting level on the weekly VWAP, and we can see that we might stay inside the value here of the VWAP, and we might rotate from 91Ks or 90Ks into maybe 84, 85Ks. So personally, I'm short here, okay? So personally, I'm short here. I took profit on this long, and now I'm risking a little of the profits from last long in the short. So let's see how it play out. Up. And so yeah, basically that was clean. That was clean up. That was a nice recording. That's for trading real. And so now we back here. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I was just recording a video for the Instagram. I hope you guys forgive me. Up. Let's put some new song. Let's put some Drake. Baby, you my ex-world. You know I ever want you. You're the fucking best, you're the fucking best, you're the best I ever had, best I ever had. I'll be over there. Same shit here on Ethereum. That's low-key a good trade, huh? Like if you want to trade with Ethereum, that's a nice one. Personally, I stick to BTC. Where is my BTC chart? Personally, I stick to BTC, but the Ethereum trade could be a nice one. You're the fucking best. You're the best I ever had. Oh, music is messed up. My bad. Okay. I think it's because of the microphone, guys. Properties, yeah. Oh, or maybe just because... No, my microphone is fine. It's working. Okay. Sorry. My bad. Well, let's put house music then. House music. We stick to house music. Thank you guys, 60 viewers still, huh? 60 viewers still. So by the way guys, just reminding it to you again, but if you guys want to learn and understand how to trade with all this data, how I just come up to a trade, for example to this trade or to this trade thanks to data, and understand how I manage my risk and how to be a long-term trader and being profitable, I have a bunch of resources for you guys in the school or also within the Discord, okay, for the mentorship student that join the program. You guys get access to all these indicators, to all these tools, okay, to all these templates. You guys get access to everything and get a personalized mentorship, okay, one-on-one calls, group calls, get access to all of my features and also access to all my signals and 24/7 supports. So all you need to do is to book a call with me or my team, okay? We only take serious people that have money to trade, okay, and that are willing to basically be trader on the long run. We don't want people that just want to make money quick, because that's not how you will make it. And if you're looking for that in trading, you will just fail, okay? Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. So if you guys think that you have the potential to join the program, check in the description of the stream. Basically, there is a link to book the call here, up to take the form. Take time to do it. You just click the form and then you might be able to book a call with us. And if that's the case, I will see you guys in the call, or one of my coaches in the program. And yeah, so the link is in the description, guys. And now let's see, BTC is bouncing. Looks like it wants to go a bit higher. Still pushing. Funding still negative. That's why I'm not risking a lot. Thanks, Samir. Terrible attack. What do you mean? What's your Instagram handle? My Instagram, guys, is this. Diego Trades. This is my Instagram, guys. Diego Trades. You guys can follow me here on Instagram. Only 550 followers, but I'm posting a lot of content. So you guys can follow me here on Instagram. I don't like the bounce at all. I don't like the bounce at all. Now let's see. We need to wait and see how the 1 hour candle closes. As long as we don't close the 1 hour above that, that's fine. So yeah, let's see. Oh, well, actually, we might have a great setup on Ethereum here. I didn't took that one, but that might be a good one. Well, why is it the same shots? We might have here a good one. Retesting the POC here. I am tempted to take it, guys. I am tempted to take it. We have the POCs here. Yeah, that could be a great one. Like the risk reward of that one. I don't really trade a lot Ethereum, but from here, yeah, that's like a 3 risk reward. That's good. Even to these lows, that's like almost a 6, almost a 4. Like that's almost a 4 risk reward. That's kind of good. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Might be a good one. What do you guys think? Do you want mine now? Solana, nice sweep here. How is Hype going? Hype is struggling. Sorry. Sorry, guys. I'm a bit sick. No. Ethereum is back above 3Ks. Shit, I don't have any more water. I'm thirsty. Up. Are you in a short now? No. I'm not in a Ethereum short. I'm just in a BTC short. I'm in this, basically. I'm in this. It's around entry. $100 above my entry. Well, basically, it's entry. So yeah. I think 10th December decision of the Fed is why we pumped. We just priced the news actually. Yeah, that's true. We might have kind of like a center rally into December, maybe to these levels. Like that's possible. More high coming. Yeah, honestly, if we do flip this level, this POC, we can go to like 93Ks or even like higher. But like, that's a nice level for conferences, for rejection for now. Let's see. We need to see weakness. We need to see weakness. That's why I'm not in a big short. I'm like in a very little short. I'm risking not even half of the profit we made from the long. Like that's a little short, guys. It will be yours. What do you mean? What do you mean it will be yours? And the deltas are still like around 100 mils. The problem is that I don't know why the fundings are red here. Like that's crazy. Let's look on Velo data. Let's look on Velo. I need to connect. Sorry, I need to log into my account. Give me a second. Up, account. Shit. Why can't I connect? Futures. Account. Bro. Up. Well, I cannot find it. Fuck it. I cannot find my logins. Wow, that's fine. So let's just see. I don't really like how it's pushing. I might just close it entry. That's not an 8+ setup. This is why I'm not going big in the risk here, guys. I'm not risking a lot. So let's see. Where I would love to enter is like really some chop, maybe a sweep here, and really like loss of this level here, or even more like range here, retest, weakness, and that's where I short, okay? But that will be in a long time, okay? For now, we are still around the entry. So yeah. Let's see how it goes. Ethereum might be an interesting short also. But I'm sticking to BTC. I don't, because basically if you short BTC and you short Ethereum, it's like you are just like doubling down the risk, okay? And as I'm not wanting to go big risk here on that short, I prefer just to hold this little BTC short and just wait. That's what I think. So now let's see how it goes, guys. I will have to go now. It's been almost a 2-hour stream. So thank you guys for today's stream. I see you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure I will be able to stream New York Open, but maybe I will stream later or before. I will let you guys know. So have a good one. See you guys in tomorrow's stream. Remember, if you guys want to get access to the mentorship program, to the school, and to all of my indicators and templates, there is the link in the description to book a call with me or my team. And yeah, hopefully see you guys, whether it's on X, on YouTube, on Discord, or in the mentorship program. And have a good one. See you. Today we made a nice win. We are in this little short, so let's see if we print or not. We'll update you guys if we get stopped or if we just close it or if we go to profit, whatever. For now, this looks like it wants to go a bit higher, but I'm still holding this short for now with little size. So yeah, see you guys and have a good one. Bye.